Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how to wake up nice and early. Myself, I wake up 5 in the morning every single day, and I will explain you how to get to that point. Okay, I made some notes, so I will be short and sharp. Let's not waste the time. Crack on. How the many people make mistake. They go sleep, let's say 11 at night. They wake up 7 in the morning. Yes, that's their 7 hours sleep. Okay, that's fine. But then what they want to do, or what they starting to do, they go sleep 12 and then they try to wake up 5 in the morning. But that's 5 hours sleep. That's 5 hours instead of your 7 hours. And of course you will feel tired. You will feel very tired after that. So what you need to do, sorry. So what do you need to do? You need to go sleep 12 at night, and you need to wake up 7 in the morning. Then when you go sleep tonight, you need to go sleep 12 at night and wake up instead of 7 in the morning. To tomorrow morning, you need to wake up 6:45. Once you wake up 6:45, following day, you go in bed 11:45. That way, you still sleep your 7 hours. But instead of waking up at 7 in the morning, you will wake up 6:45. 6:45 sounds better than 7. And you need to do that for about 4 to 5 days. So your body gets used to it. Once your body gets used to it, after 4 to 5 days, on day 6, you need to wake up 6:30. That's your day 6. On day 6, you wake up 6:30 and you go sleep 11:30. You're still sleeping your 7 hours, but you're waking up 6:30. So you're doing that for 4 to 5 days. You're doing that for 4 to 5 days. On day 6, you need to wake up 6:15. That's your day 6. That's your day. That's your second set of day 6. You wake up 6:15, and what are you doing? You're going to sleep 11:15. And that's another 4 to 5 days. So on day 6 of set 3, to be set 3, day 6, you wake up 6 in the morning and you go sleep 11 at night. What do you do? 4 to 5 days. Yes, that's what you do. 4 to 5 days. On day 6, on set 4, I think it is, you go sleep 11, but you wake up 5:45. And when you wake up 5:45, you go sleep 10:45. And again, same here, 4 to 5 days. So your body gets used to it. On day 6, on set 5, I think it is, you wake up 5:30 and you go sleep 10:30. And again, 4 to 5 days. On day 6, you wake up 5:15, and that's, you go sleep 10, 15. Again, for the 4 to 5 days. See what's happening? You go sleep earlier and earlier, wake up earlier and earlier. So here, on day 6, set 6 or 7, I think, you go sleep 10, 15, but you wake up 5 in the morning. When you woke up 5 in the morning, on that day, you go sleep 10 o'clock at night. And again, 4 to 5 days. And if you need to wake up if you want to wake up 4 in the morning, then you need to do till 9 o'clock. So that's what you do. You reduce your sleeping time by 15 minutes. Once you reduce that once, you do that for 4 to 5 days. And then you reduce that to 4 to 5 days, and then you reduce again for 15 minutes, and then again for 15 minutes. And that's how you get your habit or wake up earlier and earlier and earlier, instead of doing big jump, and instead of sleeping, instead of 7 hours, you're sleeping 5 hours. There, you're sleeping still your 7 hours, but you're going to sleep earlier. It's very important. Otherwise, you will feel tired. Now, it's 8 in the morning, I'm at work, and I've been up at 5. Another tips, alarm. As soon as alarm hits, get out from your bed. Don't stay in bed. If you stay in bed for 10-15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, you'll never be out. Tip, leave your alarm in a far corner of your room. Make sure that alarm gets you out from the bed. Once you're out from the bed, straight in the bathroom, wash your face with the cold water. That will help you to wake up. After you washed your face with the cold water, do your stretches. Do your morning stretches if you're okay to run, if you're running every day anywhere. Like if you do running in the mornings, go for a run. Go for a morning run. Or if you don't have that much time, just do some stretches. Make sure you do some stretches for your body. Wake your body up. Another thing, the food. Focus on what you're eating. Get rid of sugars. If you've got sugars in your diet, get rid of them. Make sure you're not eating sugars. There is enough sugars in fruit, so you don't have to take any sweets or anything like that. Get rid of sugars. The sugars tiring your body. Eat balanced breakfast. The breakfast is a key for a day. Make sure you eat proper big breakfast in the morning, and don't eat too much before you go sleep, because if you overeat before you go in bed, you may not sleep as good. And make sure your meals are balanced. Make sure you've got fruit, vegetable, meat, but no sugars. Before you go to bed, you can go for a walk for 15 minutes. Many people saying, oh, I can't fall asleep. Go for a walk 15 minutes. Also, if you can't fall asleep, wake up early. Wake up early, make sure you get tired during the day. Yes, it's maybe challenging for a few days, but make sure you get tired. And once your head hit the pillow, you'll be out. That's what happens with me. So also do not use your phone before you sleep, because the screen, it activates your brain and you won't fall asleep. Instead of phone, read a book. Get a hard copy book, paper book, and just read it. It will definitely helps you. And make sure you read something nice and easy, where you're not thinking too much. Just like bedtime story. Also, make sleep routine. Make sure you follow that. Make sure it's all timed. If it's not timed, you will mess up again. Make sure you follow all that. Also, plan your day in the evening before you go sleep, probably a couple hours before you go sleep. Plan your following day. Make sure you know what you're doing in the morning. Make sure you know what you're doing during the daytime. So if your day planned, you know the reason why you're waking up early. If you don't know the reason, you won't wake up. Well, what's going to wake up early? If you wake up, you have nothing to do. Make sure it's all planned, all your morning planned, all your day planned. plan your days. Make sure you do not take any sleeping medicines. Don't take any drugs to fall asleep. I know some people, oh, I can't fall asleep, I will take some pills. They won't help. They may help in short term, but it won't help in a long term. And you may get addiction with that as well. You can be addicted to the medicines. Also, be consistent. Do not give up. Do not give up on that. It will be quite challenging for the first few days, but you will get used to it. And it's only 15 minutes. 15 minutes is not much. The 15 minutes, you won't feel that much. If you go like in 2 hours, it will be hard. But 15 minutes, it's nothing. Your body won't feel as much. Okay, guys, try that. And in the comments, please give me a feedback if it worked, if it's been useful for you. But it definitely has been useful for me. And as I said, I wake up every morning, 5 in the morning. I try to go sleep about 10, 10:30. That's my deadline. I don't go sleep after 10:30. It's always before. Thank you very much, and see you next time.